Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your Thermomix TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to wear and tear or damage to the blades. This issue can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly, potentially affecting the motor and overall performance of your device. Therefore, it's crucial to tackle this problem sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a replacement blade unit specifically for the TM31, and a clean cloth for any spills. To begin the repair, first ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratching. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine, keeping them safe for reinstallation. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off, taking care not to force it as you might damage the clips holding it in place. You should now be able to see the blade assembly. The grinding noise is usually caused by a worn-out blade or a misaligned component. To locate the faulty part, visually inspect the blades for any visible defects or wear. If it appears damaged, it's time to replace it. Use your pliers to grip the blade assembly and gently twist to remove it from the main body. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any nearby components. When installing the new blade unit, ensure it is aligned correctly and securely fitted into the base. Remember to replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly without overdoing it, as this could strip the threads. Once everything is secured, carefully reattach the base cover, ensuring all clips are in place. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and run a short test to confirm that the grinding noise has ceased and everything is functioning smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly inspect your blades for wear and clean them after each use to avoid any buildup that could lead to damage. Additionally, avoid overloading the machine, as this can put unnecessary strain on the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.